Join me as I explore whether turmeric truly is a health hero for people over 50. Can it really combat common age-related issues like arthritis, heart disease, and cognitive decline? Let's dive in. Aging brings challenges: joint pain, memory loss, and heart disease can significantly impact daily life. Many rely on medication, but side effects can be a concern. What if a natural alternative like turmeric could help? Turmeric, long used in traditional medicine, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests it can reduce joint pain, lower cholesterol, and improve cognitive function. In one study, curcumin reduced arthritis pain by 50%. Even more fascinating, curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, potentially slowing neurodegenerative diseases. Real-life cases support these findings. A 62-year-old woman suffering from severe arthritis regained mobility after adding turmeric to her diet. Another study found that curcumin improved memory in individuals with mild cognitive impairment within 6 months. So, what's the takeaway? Turmeric's incredible benefits may help reduce pain, improve brain function, and support heart health. Could this golden spice be your key to better aging? Thanks for watching. Have you experienced turmeric's benefits? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights.